Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to send an automated WhatsApp messages to IndiaMART inquiries for IT and telecom services. So I'm an owner of IT and telecom services and we receive a lot of inquiries through our IndiaMART account. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new inquiry through my IndiaMART account, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to the lead who has submitted the inquiry using WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a business offering IT and telecom services and I often receive inquiries from potential clients through IndiaMART. So responding to these leads quickly is crucial for securing deals, but manually sending messages takes time. So by automating WhatsApp messages to IndiaMART leads, I can instantly send a personalized response to every inquiry, and this way when someone expresses interest in my services, they receive an immediate WhatsApp message. So this automation helps me stay on the top of leads, respond faster and increase my chances of turning inquiries into clients. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my IndiaMART account with my WhatsApp by SNC account, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus it keeps everything organized and error free so you can focus on growing your business hassle free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit this by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send automated WhatsApp messages to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for IT and telecom services. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on it, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers primarily for business and industrial products. It's like a massive digital directory where businesses can find suppliers for everything from machinery to office supplies. People use IndiaMART because it makes sourcing products and services easy, offering a wide range of options in one place. Whether a business looking to buy in bulk or a seller wanting to reach more customers, IndiaMART helps you find the right match quickly and efficiently. So here in my IndiaMART trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads. So that whenever we are going to receive new leads through our IndiaMART account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a Webbook URL. That means here I'm going to use this Webbook URL to connect my IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this Webbook URL. And here I've already logged in my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account, and from here I'm going to click on this lead manager option given in the left side bar. And here under lead manager I'm going to click on this menu option given over here. And here under menu I'm going to select import export leads. And here under import export leads I'm going to select push API. And now here under this push API integration, it is asking me to select the source. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the sources available. So here I'm going to select my source as other, and here you can see it is asking me for the CRM platform name and the Webbook listener URL. So here for the CRM platform name, I'm going to enter the name as Pabbly Connect, and here for the Webbook listener URL, I'm going to enter the Webbook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So here I've entered both the details, and now I'm going to click on the save details given over here. And now here it is asking me to select the reason that why I want to transfer my IndiaMART leads to any other CRM. So for that here I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see some random reasons. So I'm going to select a single reason that says I feel that I can permanently save the leads from IndiaMART and view later. And now here after selecting this particular reason, I'm going to click on this click to generate OTP. And now here it is asking me for the OTP. So I'm going to enter the OTP that I've received on my phone. And then I'm going to click on this submit given over here. And here you can see we have successfully set up a Webbook inside our IndiaMART account. That means we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see as it is waiting for Webbook response. That means here to receive a Webbook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our IndiaMART account. So here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my IndiaMART account. So here in my IndiaMART account, I'm going to make a test submission, and for that I'm going to click on this test your Webbook listener URL given over here. So by clicking on this particular button given over here, I'm going to receive a test response in my Pabbly's workflow for my IndiaMART account. So here I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to click on this test button given over here. And here you can see we have received the curl request header. That means we have successfully sent a test response to our Pabbly's workflow. Or you can say that we have successfully sent a test response to this particular Webbook URL given over here. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a test response over here, where we have received the response subject as requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So here, as you all know, that I run a business of IT and telecom services, but I have received the inquiry for the empty mineral water bottle over here. That is because here I have received a test response, but if you are receiving the live reads and inquiries in your IndiaMART account, then you will receive this response accordingly. So here, as I've received a test response, that's why I've received a test inquiry over here. So here I've received the subject as requirement for empty mineral water bottle. Here you can see the sender's state, sender's pin code. Here you can see sender's phone number and the sender name as this. Moving forward, here you can see sender's phone number, sender's email, and scrolling little down. Here you can see the sender's company, sender's city, address, and some other details as well, such as product name, that is mineral water bottle, and the query message as I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle. Kindly send me price and other details, quantity, piece, order value, and some other details over here. So here again I have received a test response. That's why I have received a query message for the empty mineral water bottle. But if you are receiving the live leads and the live queries, then you will receive the response as per the lead received. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here, and now once we have received the response over here, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to this lead who has submitted a new inquiry in our IndiaMART account. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei is a tool that enhances WhatsApp messaging for businesses by adding features like automated replies, bulk messaging, and customer support. People use it to manage customer interactions more efficiently, send personalized messages, and automate common tasks on WhatsApp. It's popular because it helps businesses stay connected with their customers on a platform they already use, making communication smoother and more effective. So here in my WhatsApp by AI Sensei action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message, so that whenever we are going to receive new inquiry and lead to our IndiaMART account, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message is going to send to that lead through WhatsApp by SNC using a template message. And now here to connect my WhatsApp by SNC with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp by SNC account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the API key. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my WhatsApp by SNC account, and from here I'm going to click on this manage option given in the left side bar, and here under manage I'm going to select the option of API key given over here. And here under API key you can see we have successfully received the API key, so here I'm going to copy it. But if you want to regenerate the API key, then you can click on this regenerate key button given over here. And now here after copying the API key, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the API key over here. And now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So here in the help text it says enter the name of the campaign that has to be sent to the user. It is to be noted that the status of the campaign should be live. That means here I need to enter the campaign name that I'm going to launch for the template that I'm going to use to send the automated WhatsApp message to all the leads. So here to get this campaign name, let me take you back to my SNC account. So here in my SNC account, I'm going to click on this campaigns option given in the left side bar, and here under campaign, I'm going to launch a new campaign by clicking on this launch button given in the top right corner. And now here under this select campaign type, I'm going to select my campaign type as API campaign, and then here under this API campaign, it is asking me to enter the campaign name and select the template. So here for the campaign name, I'm going to enter the campaign name as IT and Telecom Services. And here for the template, I'm going to select the template which I've already created with the name Telecom Services New. So this is my template, so here I'm going to select it, and here you can see the message which I have drafted which says, Hi Juan, thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART regarding our IT and telecom services. We offer IT and telecom services tailored to meet your needs. Feel free to reply to this message or call us at this number for more details or to schedule a consultation. Looking forward to assisting you. Best regards, ABC Telecom Services. So this is the message which I have drafted, and here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name, because here I want that whenever I'm going to receive new inquiry through my IndiaMART account, then automatically this previously existing lead name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So now here after selecting my campaign name and the template over here, I'm going to launch my campaign by clicking on the set live button given over here. And here you can see it says campaign has been successfully created. So now let's move to our campaign, and here you can see that we have successfully launched our campaign, and here you can see the status as live over here. So this is my campaign name given over here, so here I'm going to copy it. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the campaign name. Now here after entering the campaign name, here it is asking me for the mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here instead of entering this phone number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through our IndiaMART account, then automatically this previously existing detail should be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to search for the phone number of my lead. So this is my lead's phone number. So here I'm going to map it moving forward. And then here it is asking me for the username. So here for the username, I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. So here I'm going to map it moving forward. Here the source and tags are not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. And here if you wish to add the source and the tags, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me for the template parameter. So here in this template parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variable that I've inserted in my template. So as I've already shown you that I have used a single variable in my template, that is one name. So here for the template parameter, I'm going to map the name of my lead. So for that I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. So here I'm going to map it moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the attributes, URL and the file name. So here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So here I've successfully entered my own WhatsApp number. So now moving forward, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the success value as true and the submitted message ID. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to my phone number. So now let's go and check it. So here you can see the message which we have received, which says, "Hi Prabhat, thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART regarding our IT and telecom services. We offer IT and telecom services tailored to meet your needs. Feel free to reply to this message or call us at this number for more details or to schedule a consultation. Looking forward to assisting you. Best regards, ABC Telecom Services." So this is the template that we have used to send the automated WhatsApp message, and here you can see our lead's name over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as IndiaMART and our action as WhatsApp by AISNC. So that whenever we are going to receive new leads or inquiries through our IndiaMART account, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message is going to send to that lead through WhatsApp by AISNC using a template message. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.